We're live, Jorge.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Today's video is What is Title Insurance with Jorge Mesa with Pacific Coast Title.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. I'm Diego Barco with Keller Williams, and Mr. Jorge Mesa is the Vice President of Pacific Coast Title Insurance and the best dressed man I know.
I don't know about that, but thank you.
Well, thank you, Jorge, for being with me today.
Thank you,
I really appreciate that. Now, Jorge, I'm going to get started really quick. Please tell us how long you've been in the business and how you got started.
Well, I think I was working at McDonald's and I was not making a lot of money.
Okay.
I was afraid to talk to people. I was just moved here. So was this guy who went to McDonald's and asked me, you want to do something else? You want to make more money? And I said, sure. A lot more money? He goes, yep. I said, I'm in. And a week later, I was doing title insurance.
Wow.
I didn't have a clue about title, but I just knew I was going to make more money. And I was going to stop cleaning the bathrooms because that's what I was doing at McDonald's. I was cleaning the bathrooms. So that's why I started. That was many, many years ago, over 40 years ago.
Wow. That's pretty big improvement from cleaning restrooms.
I don't regret it. It was a good experience. I love my McDonald's, as you can see. But yeah, it was a little bit better now.
Right. Now, to get to title insurance, what is title insurance and why do we need it, Jorge?
Title insurance is the cheapest title that you can ever have.
Okay.
If you think that you only pay one time.
Okay.
So average title premium right now is around $2,000.
$2,000.
And usually average refinance or sell again is 13.1 years. So if you do the math, it's around, I don't know, $13, $14 a month that you're paying for that insurance. So it's pretty cheap. It's a one-time fee. You don't have to pay again. So you pay at the close of escrow.
Okay, great. Now, I know you answered this a little bit, but maybe some of our viewers may not know. When do you buy title insurance?
When you're refinancing or selling your property or buying a property, you need to have title insurance.
Okay, perfect. Now, what are the benefits of title insurance and that maybe we may not know about, Jorge?
Well, if there's any issues, let's say that we closed the deal and there was a child support lien that we missed. We didn't search that and we missed that. That's why you have title insurance. We pay for that. So
Oh, wow.
pretty much you're covered for any problems that you may have in the future that we miss prior to closing the transaction.
So it's definitely a good idea to get title insurance, right? Now, and I know you briefly touched on this, Jorge, but how often do you buy title insurance, and does it ever expire?
No, it doesn't expire. It's every 13.1 years. That's the average in California.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, in LA County.
In LA County?
LA County is 13.1 years.
Okay, so that's
And the
pretty
average
long
premium,
time.
I said, was around $2,000.
Around $2,000 premium can cover you for life if you never refinance?
For the life of the loan.
Of the loan?
Mhm.
So, so the title insurance only insures you up to when you pay off your home?
Correct.
Now,
Well, no, not really. No.
No?
When you sell that house or refinance the house, you still have that title insurance.
right, okay,
Yeah, and then that's why I was saying the average is 13.1 years.
okay. Now, another question is, what to avoid when buying or selling a home, to avoid any title issues?
Well, first thing you want to do as a realtor, as soon as you sign your contract, you want to ask your title rep to get your prelim.
Right.
And you want to run your statement of information right away to see if there's any issues, any problems, so we can start working on those problems.
Right, so when having a great realtor and you're thinking about selling your home, that's one of the first things that we do is we ask our great title rep, Jorge Mesa, to pull your preliminary report so we can see if there's gonna be any issues in the sales process. So that's why it's very important to get somebody who knows what they're
There
doing.
could be a lot of mistakes also.
Yes.
A lot of times we see very common names.
Okay,
And they attach the lien or the judgment to the wrong name, to the wrong person, I'm sorry, just because they have the same name and last name. So it's always a good idea to have it in advance to clear all those problems, all those mistakes.
a quick example, if you're Juan Perez and there's probably thousands of Juan Perez, then they may put the wrong lien on your home, and that's why title insurance
Correct.
is gonna help you clear it up. Now, what, you know, this is gonna be our last question, Jorge, and once again, I appreciate your time. But I know you're great with us, and most of, you know, everybody really appreciates you and what you do to support us and for our service. Now, I know that PCT Title is one of the leading companies, and just tell us a little bit more about how, you know, what kind of things you do to
Benefits?
Yeah, to, you know, and to give us peace of mind.
Well, what we do with you guys, with the realtors and with KW here, we try to have one-on-ones with you guys to make sure that we understand your farm area, what you want to do inside of your farm area.
Great.
So we can give you tips and ideas how to attack that. I always joke and I say your farm area is like your marriage. If you don't understand your wife and your husband, you will get divorced. That's your farm area too. You will get divorced if you don't understand that area.
Right, no, yeah. Well, Jorge is always here and giving us a lot of support. You know, I want to thank you for your time and for filming this with me, and also for your experience, your value, and your valuable knowledge in the industry. Now, if you guys have any additional questions, please make sure you DM me or Mr. Jorge Mesa. Yeah, I'm sure he'll be happy to answer any questions you guys may have. Once again, my name is Diego Barco with Keller Williams, and this is Mr. Jorge Mesa with PCT Title. And we appreciate your time, and thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you.